First up is our SkyDome. It is a variation of the prefab sky model for the gradient. We use spherical UV mapping to take a texture like this and this to produce this as an overall effect. The terrain is a simple height map based terrain. We simply take an image like this to achieve this. For texturing the terrain, we use a texture like this. This allows us to essentially draw the textures on the 3D surface. This has the advantage of letting the artist use his full imagination on how the world can be constructed. This is our water plane. It is simply a plane stretched over a very large distance. You can see in the plane that we are currently just reflecting the sky. The waves in the water are a bump map combined with the Fresnel effect. The reflection and refraction effects are achieved by doing multiple passes of rendering. We first render the scene based on a reflected view matrix for the reflection texture. That is, we simply invert the camera essentially. And second, we render the scene by clipping everything above the water plane for the refraction texture. Finally, when the water is rendered in the real scene, we apply the previous passes as textures to the water plane. One of the many post-processing effects we added to the system worth showing off is the underwater effect. We simply detect if the camera is underwater and enable the effect. To achieve this effect, we perturb the texture coordinates based on some distortion values and time.